YouTube family. Welcome back, man. What is going on today with everyone? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today with just a quick on feet video slash a quick look at a pair of Air Max 1 Parras that your boy hit with a Sacai lace swap. And yeah, we about to get into that today, man. Hope everybody's chilling out, feeling good, feeling great, man. Enjoying y'all end or possibly the end of y'all quarantining, man. And hopefully everything gets back right. But do not rush to get back out there, man. Y'all be wise and just, you know, your safety's in your own hands. But enough with that, y'all. If this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, man, or y'all are returning, man, hey, I'm seeing this a lot of people that are visiting the channel, you know, often, but y'all are not yet a part of the family. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, man? Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all be a part of the family, man. Look, we trend setting over here, man. We got a lot of dope things coming, as well as early looks, man. Y'all know, hey, it's gonna be a lot of you seen it here first coming, man. So if y'all want to be a part of that movement, man, go ahead and join the family, y'all. And in advance, man, welcome to the family. But enough with the chitter chatter, y'all, man. As I said, I hope y'all are doing good from wherever y'all are at. But take a quick look at them. Bang! There they go, man. Nike Air Max 1 Parras. If y'all have been around for a little bit, you know, a week or so, y'all have probably seen me unboxing these in one of my recent videos. But yes, had to put that Sacai lacing style inside these shoes. As you can see, the double lace with the two colors. Let me grab my Sacai's real quick and show y'all what those look like. Bam, right there, there's the Nike Sacai's. So this is where I got the idea to lace these up like this. Really, I was just sitting back looking at these shoes, just this front half. I was like, dang, these stripes just gave me that idea of that white and gray. So I said, damn, let me go ahead and let me see what I could do. You know, I was gonna do like a navy blue as well as this Carolina type blue color. But I was like, I kind of want to tone it down. This is more of a calm shoe, so I kind of want to tone it down. But it's quite a bit of things that I could have done with it that I possibly still might do in the future. You know what I'm saying? I could put some red laces in it. You know, I could put the navy blue. I could put that blue. I could put purple. I could put pink. You know what I'm saying? Like, sky is the limit, man. It's a lot of different colors on this shoe. Very dope shoe, man. Very dope, casual, nice looking shoe. Summer shoe, you know what I'm saying? Nike on that back. But I did a quick review on this as well as the unboxing, man. I'll link that down in the description so y'all can check that out if y'all want to. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. We're gonna get to exactly what we came here for, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how these look on feet. It's not gonna be nothing long, no crazy, a bunch of different pants and stuff. Like, this ain't one of them videos. This is just a quick look on how it looks with that Sacai lace swap. So yes, man, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the Sacai lace swap on these Air Max 1 Parras. And yeah, I put one lace. As you can see, I put the Parra laces through that top hole, and I put that gray lace through that bottom hole, and vice versa on the other side. So yeah, man, had to do that. But let's go ahead and get into a quick look at this Air Max on feet, and then we're gonna get up out of here, man. So I thank y'all for shopping through, and y'all stay blessed until my next one, y'all. And we got some early looks coming, man, so y'all stay tuned. Hit that notification bell, and as I said, hit that subscribe button, y'all. But till my next one, your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, aka Mr. Swap is checking out, y'all. So y'all stay blessed. Peace.